You don't want zero problems, big fella. Yup.
Today we're talking about leaving the fridge door closed. We have a sign on the door, as you can see. What else do we possibly need? You wouldn't leave your grandmother's fridge door open. So why would you leave God's fridge door open? That's a sucky move. The steps to opening the fridge are really quite simple. Step 1, open the fridge. Step 2, grab your beverage. And step 3, close. Michael! What are you doing?
I grabbed the drink.
No! Let's try this again.
Drink.
Bri, are you there? Come on, Bri. Madison, what are you doing here?
Bri sent me here.
Well, what do you mean she sent you here?
She sent me here.
To cause you pain.
Way to take out the trash, Madison. So remember, kids,
Keep the fridge door closed.
Or else.